So friends, as you can see here, to find the value of the missing number star, we use the BODMAS rule, which dictates the order of operations, bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Let's replace the star with the variable x and solve the equation. So first we have to write the equation again. So 45 square bracket 28 minus curly bracket 37 minus small bracket 15 minus x square bracket of equals to 50. Now break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. So for finding the missing value problems, it is often to work outside in, isolate the brackets rather than expanded everything. So first, isolate the square bracket, subtract 45 from both the sides or rearrange. So minus 8 and then curly bracket 37 minus 15 minus 6 and then curly bracket and then square bracket. This is 45. We already have removed 45 minus 45 and there is 58 minus 45. Now after subtracting we got 13. So multiply by minus 1 to clear the leading negative. So we'll just multiply it. So we'll get 28 minus curly bracket 37 minus 15 minus x curly bracket of 13. Now isolate the curly brackets. The second step, isolate the curly bracket. Move the curly bracket term to the right and minus 13 to the left. So it will become 28 and then plus 13 equals to 37 minus 15 minus x and then curly bracket off. Now after adding this, we'll get 41 equals to 37 minus 15 minus x. Now the third step says isolate the parentheses, rearrange to solve the inner part like 15 minus x. So we'll just write it down, 15 minus x equals to 37 minus 41. We can transpose the values. Minus x equals to minus 4 because larger digit has a negative sign. Now solve for x. So solve for x, 15 and transpose the value. It will become in positive. 15 plus 4 equals to x, 19 equals to x. The value of the star is 19 and the correct option is C is the correct answer. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.